Hello everyone and welcome back to Contemporary Mama. If you are new, my name is Carolyn. Thank you so much for checking out my channel. I am so excited that it is September. To me, September and back to school time is the unofficial start of fall. And I am so excited to be bringing you this fall clean and decorate with me. If you missed it, I will link my fall shop with me and haul where I got a lot of the decor that you are going to be seeing in this video. And I am extra excited because this video is a collaboration with a really close friend of mine. Her name and channel on YouTube is Harleen G. You are absolutely going to love her if you don't already subscribe to her. She does amazing shop with me's, hauls, home decor, cleaning motivation. Seriously, she does it all. So I am going to leave her video and her channel linked in the description box below. Please make sure you go watch her video when you're done watching mine, subscribe to her, and leave her a comment letting her know that I sent you. So before I get started decorating, I am going to be doing a little cleaning and tidying up around my house.
Loved you from the first time you called me late. Loved you for your wits and your wicked games. Always on my mind, always in my brain. With you the summer came and went in a day. And I've been craving you since the first time that I sat by your side. And I've been on my knees thinking time is gonna fix me inside. No, nothing's gonna make me forget. And I don't think I want to forget anyway, yeah. No, nothing's gonna make me forget. Yeah, I don't think I want to forget anyway, yeah.
And since it is fall, I am going to be using my Mrs. Meyer's Apple Cider Scent Multi-Surface Spray and Dish Soap. I love this scent. And I am so excited. It is now September and I can start using it again.
I can feel it when you're miles away. You can make it shine when the whole world rains. Always on my mind, always in my brain. With you the days are long and the nights are late. And I've been craving you since the first time that I sat by your side. Ooh, and I've been...
So to get my decorating started, I am just cleaning off my front door and I'm going to swap out my summer wreath for this beautiful fall wreath that I got at HomeGoods, I think 2 years ago. Now I am just dusting off my wine bar before I add some of my fall decor. I'm using this fall wheelbarrow and filling it with these pumpkins and pine cones. And then that orange pumpkin with the letter P on it, I got at the Christmas tree shop years ago. Now in my living room, again, I'm just swapping out any summer decor that I had and putting up all of my favorite fall pieces.
Make me forget. And I don't think I want to forget anyway, yeah. No, nothing's gonna make me forget. Yeah, I don't think I want to forget anyway, yeah. I think that I'm going to hiding somewhere by a gated star. Baby, they ain't never gonna find me. I'm a renegade. I could be the one who saved you from this hard place. We could be as one and we'll escape. We could run away, we don't gotta stay. I can feel it, it burns inside me. Take away the pain, we can go insane. I can feel it, it burns inside me. We could run away, we don't gotta never get to open 'cause it's too late. I could be the one who said
This outdoor doormat is new. I got this at Big Lots. Seriously, their selection of fall decor was awesome.
we could run away, we don't gotta stay. I can feel it, it burns inside me. Take away the pain, we can go and say. I can feel it, it burns inside me. We could run away, we don't gotta stay. I can feel it, it burns inside me. Take away the pain, we can go and say. Trust me, I won't let you down. I won't let you
Now I'm just cleaning off my big bay window and I am putting my crazy impulse purchase here, my vintage pumpkin spice latte machine. Seriously, when I saw this at the store, I knew immediately I wanted it displayed front and center in this window alongside these gorgeous, decorative, sparkly metallic pumpkins.
city lights are making me.
I'm just gonna quickly wipe off my stove before I put up some of my new kitchen towels. These are so cute and add such a little pop of color in my kitchen.
Do. Wishing I'd be all alone. I got these demons by my side, flying on the chemicals. Guess I'm not the lucky type. Trust me, you don't wanna know how it's night after night, night after night. Oh.
My guest room is pretty tidy most of the time. All I really needed to do here was straighten out the pillows and the blankets, and I'm swapping out the accent pillow for this baby blue pumpkin one. So now I'm just moving on into my bedroom. I'm making my king-size bed, which, oh my gosh, always just takes me so long. But after I'm done, I'm just adding in my new decorative pillows onto my bed. I love that they had so many beautiful jewel tone pillows for fall. It's just such a nice variety compared to all the classic ones that are red and orange. Those just really don't go with the decor in my room, so I'm so happy I found these that have these beautiful blues and pinks in them. Now I'm just doing a little bit of dusting of all the furniture in the room and adding in the rest of my decor pieces.
Trust me, you don't wanna know how it's night after night, night after night. Oh, searching after miracles. Oh yeah, night after night, night after night, night after night. These city lights are making me wanna be something else that I'm used to. Spending time reminiscing of what it used to be, not letting go when I want to. Trust me, you don't wanna know how it's night after night, night after night. Oh, searching after miracles.
The last thing I needed to do in my room was tidy up my bathroom. It was, of course, a mess from getting ready earlier. So I'm just putting everything away and wiping down the sinks and the countertops with that Mrs. Meyer's apple cider scent spray. had just a few more decorations to put up downstairs after I clean off this window. I'm going to remove my summer succulents and put up this cute little pumpkin that says "Hello Fall" in glittery writing. It is so cute. Since I can't keep a plant alive to save my life, I'll put this cute pumpkin spice sign up here instead.
When you call my name, make me lose my game. When you call my name, I go crazy, 'cause I can't escape. When you call my name, when you call my name, I go crazy.
I was really looking forward to doing my dining room table, so I saved the absolute best for last. I love how this turned out, and my autumn themed truck is just the star of the whole room.
You call my name. Can't disguise who I am when I am with you. My armor fell off 'cause your words got me naked, got me naked. All I hear is
I got this cute little pumpkin patch sign at the Dollar Tree the other day, so I'm just sticking that outside as well.
side of the bed though, weeks of gone can't let go.
So my decorating is done. All that is left is to light a pumpkin scented candle, pour myself a pumpkin spice latte, and turn on my Roomba and let that clean my floors for me. I really hope that you enjoyed this fall clean and decorate. Don't forget to go check out my friend Harlene's video. It is definitely linked down in the description box. Show her some love, subscribe to her channel, and let her know that I sent you. I'm gonna see you guys on Friday with a brand new video. Bye!